Here we have a Sunbeam Coffeemaster coffee maker. We're going to see how it works. It has a little lid here. We're heating the water right now. I didn't actually put coffee in here, but I just want to test it to see how it, to show that it works. I apologize, this probably doesn't make for the most exciting viewing. But anyway, while we wait, this Coffeemaster is for sale at lauraslastditch.etsy.com, along with hundreds of other vintage small appliances and kitchenwares. So I'd love to have you visit to either buy this coffee pot or to see what else I have available. I have lots of Sunbeam small appliances, lots of kitchen utensils, some things that you probably won't find anywhere else online. Sounds like something's about to happen. Oh yep, sure enough, it's steaming up the window. So you can see, it works. Thanks for watching. That's okay. Here we have a Sunbeam Coffeemaster coffee maker. We're going to see how it works.